Hey, what's up guys? How are you all? OPPO is all set to launch two new A-series smartphones soon, named as OPPO A9 2020 and OPPO A5 2020. Recently, it has been reported that the OPPO A9 2020 smartphone officially teased in Vietnam and broke the news that the company is also working on another phone called OPPO A5 2020. OPPO has recently confirmed that it will be launching OPPO A9 2020 in India on September 10. The company has now started sending media invites for the launch event on the set date, likely to be priced at Rs 20,000. The OPPO A5 2020 will be confirmed to have a quad camera setup, and it comes with a 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. In Vietnam, the OPPO A5 2020 is expected to be priced around 15,400 Indian rupees. Coming to the specification, which is as per the teasers in the Vietnam antenna listing, the OPPO A9 2020 will feature a 6.5-inch HD Plus display and will have a water-dog style notch design, will come equipped with a 2 GHz octa-core Snapdragon 665 11nm chipset with Adreno 610 GPU and will have an 8GB of RAM with 128GB of storage. Moreover, as per the press note released in Pakistan and in Vietnam, the smartphone is confirmed to have a quad camera setup with a 48MP ultra-wide-angle lens and a 16MP selfie camera with AI beautification technology. The rear camera will also sport a Ultra Night Mode 2.0 and video stability technology. The OPPO A series will also boost dual stereo speakers that offer higher volumes and Dolby Atmos surround sound, which is a very good feature. As for the optics, 48MP as a primary sensor with an aperture of f1.7 and 8MP of ultra wide angle lens with an aperture of 2.25 and a 2MP depth sensor with a 2MP of macro sensor. The camera is on the front. It will have an 16MP selfie camera. The smartphone is packed with a 5000 mAh of battery and will run on Color OS 6.1 based on Android 9 Pie. The smartphone will have a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor and come with all standard connectivity options. So these are the details we have so far about the OPPO A9 2020 model, and it will be soon launching in India. So if you like the phone, please hit the like button. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.